Marina, alam mo ba yung salitang Riz?
That means charm.
8?
Impressive.
Delulu?
Delusional. Sheesh! Basic naman yan, Ate Maxi.
How about sus?
That means weird or suspicious.
You know, sis, ang daming bagong words and knowledge na nagpa-pop up every now and then, no? Kaya it's very important to always stay on top of what's new, what's trending, what's in the know.
Tama ka dyan, ate.
Do you know about the word osaek?
Spill!
Osaek means online sexual abuse or exploitation of children at magandang may alam tayo tungkol sa usaping ito. Dahil binibigyan tayo nito ng guidelines at mga dapat tandaan para mapanatiling ligtas ang ating mga sarili mula sa kapahamakan at mga mapagsamantala na ginagamit ang internet at teknolohiya.
That's lit, ate.
Kaya Marina, lagi mong tandaan, you've got a friend and kakampi in me. Mas slay kapag safe ang lipunan mula sa mga mapang-abuso.